Do you brand and sell your fish online? First of all, we have to look at branding. If you are going to sell your fish online, you need to have a nice package as possible. Whether smoked or fresh fish, make sure that you brand it. Make it look attractive. Label it with your name and contact details. In fact, if you are going to even do online, make sure that you have shown the people your production, the feeding, the harvesting, the packaging. This will ensure trust and they will buy. So branding is so important. Making sure that the quality is in your brand, and whoever purchases your fish will be ready to come back. That's the brand. And now you leverage on the online tools. In fact, my fish or 90% of my sales come from online marketing. Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. For YouTube, I don't actually get direct buying of fish from there, but I use it for other marketing strategies. So if you want to ensure that you are online and people are getting your fish or you're marketing your fish, branding is important. Second, be consistent online. Because that's the one disadvantage of online. These online tools, you can't just post one picture or one video and you expect to go viral and sell your fish. No, it's a consistent base. Before you are discovered and you are known all over, you need to be consistent. Select one or two platforms and be consistent on it. If it's TikTok, make sure that you constantly post quality videos of your fish, the production. All this will bring you customers. If it's Facebook, you do the same. You can blend with images, you can have text, be consistent. Instagram, the same. But make sure that you select a tool that is best or a tool that at your location more people are there. For instance, at my location, people are more on TikTok than on YouTube. That's why TikTok is giving me the most lead or buyers. People are also more on Facebook than on Instagram. So my locality, TikTok and Facebook are giving the most customers. But I also have other channels, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and others because of international benefits or international market. However, to target my local people, I use Facebook and TikTok. So select the one that is best for you and be consistent on it. And that's how you will get online market and branding. Collect testimonials to post it online for people to gain trust. You need to offer delivery. You can have door-to-door delivery. Deliver to your customers for people to trust you and then they can always order. Then they receive before payment. And they also try to promote consistency. That way, you can always be discovered online and can make your sales. Thank you so much.